Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about door gasket for true part number 810719. The true part number 810719 door gasket is a replacement part for true refrigeration equipment. It is a rubber gasket that seals the door of the refrigerator or freezer to prevent warm air from entering and cold air from escaping. The gasket is made of high-quality rubber and has a black finish. It measures 24 inches by 54 inches and has an adhesive backing for easy installation. This gasket helps to maintain the temperature inside the refrigerator or freezer, ensuring that food stays fresh and safe to eat. It also helps to reduce energy costs by preventing cold air from This part fixes the following symptoms. This door gasket is used to replace a worn or damaged gasket on a true refrigerator or freezer. It helps to create an airtight seal, which can help to prevent warm air from entering the unit and reduce energy consumption. It can also help to prevent water from leaking out of the unit. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by cleaning the door frame and gasket area with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Place the new gasket onto the door frame, making sure that it is centered and even. 3. Secure the gasket in place with screws or nails, depending on the type of gasket you are using. 4. Once the gasket is secured, use a putty knife to press it into place along the edges of the door frame. This will ensure a tight seal between the door and frame. 5. Finally, check that all screws or nails are secure and that there are no gaps between the gasket and. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.